This one is all we do is we gonna move sa ating plate, sa ating yellow plate, and of course we gonna eat. Tamang-tama, meron tayong royal. This one is not really got spicy, so we gonna try it. Nyam na dabarkas ne. Imagine that the noodles is so soft. I think this one is a rice noodles. Mas masarap ito pag lagyan mo siya ng lemon or something calamansi. Ayun po, tama. Meron tayong soft drinks. Kasi sometimes is we hungry or we have a hangover, especially when we... To everybody, it's almost like a 3 a.m. in the morning, so eto, nagugutom tayo. Uy, inlababo ka ba? Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Sa inyo pong lahat, doon sa mga Visayas at Mindanao, andito naman ang inyong lingkod, nagugutom tayo. And of course, samahan niyo ako for today is, meron tayong like a 2001. This one is sa Pilipinas, is para siyang, hindi ko lang po 50 pesos o parang 100. So, bibili ako ng noodles. Alam mo naman, pag nagugutom tayo, even although late at night, pag uwi ng trabaho, kailangan ng foods. Today is ramen lang ang katapat ko. Noodles. Maghanap tayo mga trending ramen. Kumusta ka bilang Sam of Java? Yes. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Ito kay ganda ng umaga. Siyempre, maganda ka pa sa umaga. And almost like alas 3 na ng madaling araw. Andito yung mga taparkos ko, mga chikbalang. And of course, yung mga white lady. Yung mga masamang espiritu sa tabi ko. Yes, sila. Yes, andyan sila. Mag-hi ka sa kanila. Well, we're gonna go in there because nagugutom ako. You know what? Or like early in the morning sometimes we need something a little bit like soup. Right now it's a little bit cold. The weather right now is, I just wondering right now is almost like May na. But napakalamig. Yes, like, even although like sa madaling araw, and look at that weather right now. It's really cool. It's cold and cool. The windy, it's a little bit like windy. So pupunta ako sa aking favorite na what you call it. I'm gonna go to my favorite inconvenience store, and of course they open 24 hours. So let's go over there. Titingnan ako yung ramen na tig 1,001 or may sukli pa ako. Actually yun lang at saka egg, and of course meron kang rice. It's really good. So dito ako pupunta. Yes, makasaysayan sa akin ang lugar na to. Yes, and I got a friend before we hang out. We always drinking in here. So tara. So we gonna go inside. Ayun palang ATM machine nila. Gusto na lang tayong uwi dito. So we gonna go inside. Ito ang aking paboriteng ingredients. Sabi nila pool. Sabi yung pool, ito to lang papunta. Yes, meron silang music, but I need to, what you call that, I need to, this one. So, I need something ramen. Ayun, I'm gonna try this one. Spicy, but this one is really good. Wow, so 1,002. This one is sadyang nyo. So, bayaran na lang. Papoyo? No, thank you. So finally, so I got it. Dito na ako nag-shop at malapit sa aking bahay. And of course, my house is only like walking distance at the convenience store. So every time I'm hungry, I'm gonna go in there. Siyempre, the good things is even although night time, and of course even although in the middle of the night, napakaliwanag dito. Parang sa dilim, ikay kitang-kita pa rin. Look at that beautiful and ambience, and it was so quiet. Yes, and it was very safe. So just all much you can gonna go home This one, I think this one is para siyang pancit canton sa Pilipinas, yung instant, but this one is tinatawag nilang black noodles, is black spaghetti. So just all we do, we gonna go in there. Madaling araw na kasi nagugutom kasi ako eh. So I'm thinking about to eat in the restaurant, because but the problem is I can afford to eat in the restaurant. We need to work first and to make money. So tara na sa aking bahay. Yes mga Java Guys, finally we are home. Ito, hindi lang pagluto nito. Parang spaghetti lang. Just all we do is chapaghetti pala ang tawag nila dito. There's a block noodles or something like sajangmyeon. So look at that. The only do is I'm gonna boil the water and ito sa strainer. Yan na naman. And of course yung flavor, we gonna mix it. So gano'n lang siya kaisip mga Java Guys. And syempre, kumusta ka na? Ito, medyo low ba ang katawang lupa. But it's alright, just all much we always think positive. Siyempre, saan man tayo pupunta sa ibang bansa, we always inspired, never expired. So siya nga pala, habang nagpapakulo ko ng tubig, I'm gonna change my clothes. Siyempre, maghugas na rin ako. OMG, tama-tama mga Java Guys, it's almost, the water is almost like boiling here. Tama-tama, it's really hot. And it goes, wow. I'm so excited. Kumusta ka? Well. I have a pan. Yeah, pineapple. And of course, pineapple. And pineapple, so I have a Caesar, but anyway. I'm only Caesar ko. Chilo mo na lang. Parang ayaw niya paluto Okay, so that today is this one. The trending sajangmyeon right in here in Korea. So, lagay ko lang ito dito. So, ako lang natin mga Java Guys, like in a few minutes, maybe like a 3, 4, 5 minutes. And of course, this one, the flavor. And then we gonna mix it into, right in here sa bowl. Yes, para makita siya. So, ayan ko lang siyang kumulo ng kumulo. This one is not really spicy. Yes, gusto ko pang takpan. But it's alright right now. I'm still boiling. Now look at that. Okay. Ay, oh my god. But it's okay. Oh, finally. So there's all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on a strainer. Yeah, so lagyan na natin sa strainer, and of course we gonna mix it sa ating bowl. Ganun lang siya kaisip, and of course we're gonna put the flavor. I was so excited. And this one is the trending sajangmyeon. Ito na. Mga Java Guys, I was so excited. Kumusta ka? Well, I'm okay. I'm fine. And of course, I'm always saying we're not expired. And of course, we always inspired. And then we gonna mix it. And then tapos, kakain na tayo dun sa loob. Wow! Ganun lang siya kaisip. Wow! This I smell it, it's really good. So, let's go inside to eat. Oh my god, finally mga Java Guys, this one is all we do is we gonna move sa ating plate, sa ating yellow plate, and of course we gonna eat. Tamang-tama, meron tayong royal. This one is not really got spicy, so we gonna try it. Yan mga Java Guys, ne? Imagine that the noodles is so soft. I think this one is a rice noodles. Mas masarap ito pag lagyan mo ng lemon or something kaya masi. Ayun po, tama. Wala tayong soft drinks. Kasi sometimes is we hungry or we have a hangover, especially when we going back home after work. We're starving and sometimes we craving a food. This one is really good, diba? So one more bite for you, one more bite for me. It was so yummy. And imagine that I bought only that 1,501. Wow. I'm almost done. And simple, hindi mawawala ang ating soft drinks. Ewan ko ba? Minsan pag nakaligan ko lang uminom ng soft drinks. But anyway, thank you so much guys, and of course, this is your Queen and John. I will try to share my story, the trending ramen at the inconvenience store. Bye bye, I love you all.